when we were talking of data, the primary data and the secondary data, we must understand that as far as collecting of data is concerned, the most basic method which is employed for collecting data is the survey method. That is by trying to find out from the people either directly or indirectly by questionnaire method, by mailing method, by say by telephonically, we try to find out the results of what we are trying to collect. That is the survey. Now, how do we collect the survey? Not one individual can go and collect the survey from all the people. So, we have to employ enumerator who is a trained person who knows how to collect data. Thus, a person who goes from home to home collecting data for the survey is called as the enumerator. Now, when we talk of the questionnaires, the surveys that we do, most important that we must remember is that whatever information we are trying to find out, we should not make it very long, because nobody has enough time to just keep on answering unending questions. So, it should be in limit. That is to say, in the survey, the first thing important is that while taking a survey, keep the questions as limited as possible. Next is that we should start moving the questions from general to specific. For example, I should say, what is your name? Okay. Then, till which class have you studied? From where have you studied? What is your present occupation? Then I come to the specific ones. Are you happy in the profession? What are you looking forward to? So, first of all, a friendly approach, and then go specifically towards the information that we are trying to gather. Thus, the basic principle remains while surveying is that the questions should move from general to specific. Next is that the questions can either be closed ended or they can be MCQ kind of questions. Now, when the MCQ kind of questions are there, we can put up the category, and one of the category can be any other. Now, any other, if you tick that, we do not know what any other. For example, I will try and explain it to you. I say, which drink do you like? So, we will write Coke, Fanta, Limca, and the fourth one will be any other. So, this any other, if that has been ticked, is something which we have to really understand, because it is not giving a clear picture of what is the drink that the child or the person whom we have asked is liking. Now, in the closed ended questions, it can be, if it is to be explained, then maybe the person is not willing to go to that depth, is trying to hide. So, here also the problems can arise. So, the survey is a very tricky method which has to be done in a very expert manner by a perfect enumerator. So, while we are talking of the collection of data, primary data, as I said, is to be collected first hand, that is individually by going yourself. But as far as the secondary data are concerned, we can collect it from various sources, from the website, from the publications, that is the educational publications or the government publications or the non-government publications, and the reports of various commissions, reports of various surveys, and so on. Thus, this is first of all the method of collecting data, but in the next clipping I shall be talking about the mode of collection of data.